This short tutorial will show you how to do the following: limit results to a particular publication, limit results to recent full-text articles, limit results to certain types of publications such as academic journals, magazines, and trade publications, access full-text in email or print the article, create a permanent or persistent link to the article, and generate an APA citation for the article. If you have not watched the previous tutorials in this series, now would be a good time to do so. They can be accessed from the HIT Online Guide on the Watch Before Starting tab. In the previous tutorial, we retrieved over 1,200 articles. We need to limit our results. One way to limit results is to look for articles in a particular publication if that's required by your instructor. For example, let's say a professor wants you to find articles on this topic but only in the publication Journal of AHEMA. We will type in the publication name and use the pull-down menu to search this as a source publication. When we impose this limit on our search, our results are significantly reduced. So we'll go back to our original search. A very good way to limit results is to list only those articles that are available in full text and that are recent. Use the Refine Result options to do this. Clicking on the full text box will limit results to those articles that are usually available in either PDF or HTML format. Using the slider will limit results to articles published within a designated time span. In this case, let's limit results to articles published after 2010. We have limited our results to over 400 recent full-text articles. We also have some options as to how these articles are displayed. These articles are now sorted by relevance. What this means is for most databases, the articles are ranked by the number of times the search words appear in the entry. This is not like a Google search, which has a very complicated algorithm that ranks results. What this means in practice is that the first article in the result list may not necessarily be the best one to choose. So let's reorder this list by selecting Date Newest so that the most recent articles are at the top. We can further refine results by choosing to view articles by their source type. For example, we can choose to look only at articles in academic journals. These are publications edited by experts for experts in the field. The articles are often research-based, are often long, and might be very technical. Limiting to only academic journals will reduce our results. So for now, let's go back to our original search. Let's scan some of our results. In order to see the abstract or summary of the article, just click on the spyglass icon next to the title and browse the result list to find the articles that interest you. While scanning the abstracts, take note of additional terms you might use in another search. Pay special attention to the length of the article. For example, the first article titled "Putting a Stop to Medicare Ripoffs" is only a quarter of a page long, probably not worth pursuing. Article number 4, "Time for a Cure," looks promising. It is 7 pages long, and from the abstract we can tell it's on our topic. Click on the title link to access a screen with several useful options. From the Tools section, you can choose to print out the article, email it, or save it to a flash drive on your computer. You can choose to add the article to a temporary folder and then email or print several articles at once. To get to the permanent or persistent link to the article, just click on the permalink icon and then copy and paste that URL that is generated. Note, the URL that appears at the location bar of your browser is not permanent. To generate an APA citation for the article, click on the Cite link, making sure you scroll to the APA example. Warning, there are sometimes formatting errors in these citations. For example, the title in this citation should not include capital letters. It's up to you to become familiar with APA formatting. On the HIT Online Guide, the APA Citation tab includes some useful online resources.